Good morning. Let's get started in a seated position on our mat. Cross your legs. Let's start with just some neck circles. Pick one direction. Up over to your shoulder, chin to chest. And as we start these neck circles, come to a long, mindful inhalation and exhalation, in through your nose and out through your nose. Pause and switch directions. Now bring your chin to your chest. Gently press down on the back of your head. Lengthen through your spine. And you'll feel this deepen the stretch between your shoulder blades. Pull your belly button in. Breath in and out. Release your head. Draw your right ear to your right shoulder. Point your left fingers out to the side. Breath in and out. Switch sides, left ear to left shoulder. Reach through your right fingertips. Breath in and out. Look up to the sky, gently press down on your forehead. And release. Inhale, your hands overhead, open arm twist to your right. Right arm goes behind you, intense, left hand comes to your knee. Inhale and lengthen through your crown. Exhale and deepen your twist, look over your right shoulder. Release your right hand from behind you and reach overhead. So it's a twisted bend towards your left knee. Look up at your elbow. Reach through your fingertips. You'll feel this nice twist and stretch. Bring your right hand to your left knee. Eagle your arms. Inhale, look up. Exhale, fold down into your lap. Take a big breath in and feel the expansion through your back body. Exhale all the air out. Release and inhale overhead. Open arm twist to your left. Left arm comes behind you. Right hand comes to your left knee. Breathe in and lengthen through your crown. Pull your belly button in. Exhale and look over your back shoulder. Sweep your right arm long overhead toward your left hand toward your right knee. Look up at your elbow, continue twisting and bending. Breath in and out. Left hand comes to your right knee. Bring your arms to an eagle arm. Inhale, look up. Exhale, fold into your lap. Send your arms long overhead. Scoot back on your mat a little bit and send your legs out long in front of you. So a seated pike. Inhale your hands overhead and fold toward your feet. My feet are really dirty. That's gross. Draw your chin towards your chest. Breath in and out. Bring your right foot to the inside of your left thigh. Reach high. Inhale, fold forward as you exhale. Right hand to the knife edge of your left foot. Bind your left arm behind you. Look over your left shoulder. Left hand comes back to your left foot. Kind of open your hips up to the side and fold over to the side, reaching toward your left foot. Breathe in and out. Come back high. Cross your right foot over your left leg. Left arm goes high. Inhale. Exhale. Hook your elbow over your knee and twist. This is a deeper twist than the one we did before. Big breath in and unwind. Left foot comes to the inside of your right thigh. Breath in. Exhale and fold over your lengthened right leg. Draw your chin to your chest. Bring your left hand to the knife edge of your right foot. Bind your right arm behind you. Look over your right shoulder. Right hand to the arch of your right foot. Reach your left arm long overhead, folding over to the side, reaching for your foot. Continue with your long, mindful inhalations and exhalations. Sit tall, cross your left leg over your right. Left hand to the mat, right arm goes high, breath in, exhale, and twist. Come back to center, unwind your legs, bring them to a butterfly sit or Supta Baddha Konasana. Sit tall, lengthen through your crown, and then fold forward over your legs, keeping your hands on your ankles or binding them underneath. Fold forward. Big breath in and out. Sit tall in your Supta Baddha Konasana and slowly roll back to Supta Baddha Konasana on your mat. Bring one hand to your heart, one hand to your belly. Close your eyes. Long breath in through your nose. Open your mouth. Exhale all the air out. Breathe in, fill up your lungs, expand your rib cage. Open your mouth, exhale all the air out. Squeeze that last bit of air out of your lungs. Breathe in, fill up, pause at the top. Open your mouth, exhale all the air out. Breathe in, expand all the way up. Pause at the top. One more sip of air. Open your mouth, exhale all the air out. Close your lips and relax your face. Relax your breath. Come to a gentle breath in through your nose and out through your nose. At this time, I invite you to set an intention for your class. If you don't have one in mind, I flow through life and this practice with ease and grace. Just like our yoga practice, life isn't perfect, and we shouldn't take any comparison or limitations for ourselves into life or keep them on our mat. Let those things go as things creep into your mind that might bring in negative energy or feeling to your body. Release those and remind yourself that you flow through life with ease and grace. Bring your hands to the outsides of your thighs, close your legs like a book, draw your knees into your chest and give yourself a squeeze. Gently rock side to side, give your low back a little massage. The legs go over to the right side. Send your left arm long to the side. Look over your left shoulder. Breathe in and out. Switch sides. The legs go over to your left side. Look over your right shoulder. Lengthen through your crown and breathe. Come to center. Send your legs up the wall. Flex your toes toward your face. Reach through your heels. Palms are face down by your glutes. Take a breath in. Exhale, lower 1/3. Inhale, exhale, lower 2/3. Inhale, exhale, low boat. Hold here. Point your toes, flutter, kick 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Legs back up the wall, head to the mat. Breath in. Exhale, lower 1/3. Inhale, exhale, lower 2/3. Inhale, exhale, low boat. Hold here. Point your toes, flutter, kick 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees to your chest. Give yourself a squeeze. Bring your hands to the backs of your thighs and let's rock and roll up to our mat. Coming to the front of your mat, let's inhale, Tadasana. Swan dive forward, exhale. Take ragdoll, grab opposite elbows. Let your head hang. Separate your feet as wide as feels good for you. Release your hands to the mat. Right hand down, left arm goes high, twist open, breath in. Exhale your left hand down, inhale your right arm high. Exhale your hand down. Heel toe your feet to touch, halfway lift, inhale. Forward fold, exhale, Tadasana, inhale. Forward fold, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale. Step back to a high plank. Hold your high plank. Pull your belly button in, press the ground away from you. Inhale, downward facing dog, exhale. Press your right toes into your left Achilles, trying to connect your heel to the mat. If it doesn't, that's okay. Switch sides. Both feet to the mat. Inhale your right leg high, knee to nose, exhale. Reach it long, inhale. Step your right foot forward, runner's lunge. Reach through the crown of your head. Low crescent lunge, drop your back knee, uncurl your toe, inhale your hands overhead. Exhale, goal post your arms. Reach, inhale, open arm twist to your right, left arm forward, reach through your fingertips. Take the back bend, draw your right hand toward your left thigh, reach to the sky and look up, big hip flexor stretch here. Both arms go high, inhale, shift back, half split. It's been a while since we've done some half split. Press your left hip forward and your right back, flex your toe toward your face, draw your chin toward your chest. Option to point and flex your foot or dial it from side to side. Shift forward, lizard, hands come to the inside of your left foot. Heel toe your right foot to the edge of the mat. Roll open to the knife edge. Twist open or come down to your elbows. Reach through your crown. Continue to press the ground away from you. Don't fall into your shoulder. Both hands back to the mat. Extend your right arm long behind you. Option to take a bind or just twist open. Both hands back to the mat. Curl your left toe under right leg up and out, three-legged dog. Bend your knee, stack your hips, circle out your ankle, bend and straighten your knee. In your stacked hip, take a breath in. Exhale, right knee to left elbow. Inhale, back to your stacked hip. Exhale, knee to elbow. Three-legged dog, inhale. Downward facing dog, exhale. Lift your left leg, breath in, knee to nose, exhale. Reach long, inhale. Step forward, runner's lunge. Reach through the crown of your head. Low crescent lunge, drop your knee, uncurl your toe. Send your arms long overhead. Exhale, goal post your arms. Reach, inhale. Open arm twist, right arm forward, left arm back. Take the back bend, look up, inhale. Stay for your exhale. Both arms high, inhale. Shift back, exhale. Inhale, right hip forward, exhale, left hip back. Inhale, chin to chest. Exhale, option to dial or point and flex. Inhale. Exhale. Shift forward, lizard, hands to the inside of your left foot. Roll open to the knife edge of your foot. Come down to your elbows or twist open. Stay for another inhale. Exhale. Come to your hands. Send your left arm long behind you. Roll open or take a bind. Breath in and out. Both hands to the mat. Curl your right toe under, left leg up and out. Three-legged dog. Bend your knees. Stack your hips. Circle out your ankle. Bend and straighten your knee. Bend and stack. Breath in. Exhale. Knee to right elbow. Back to your bend and stack. Inhale. Exhale. Knee to right elbow. Bend. Three-legged dog. Inhale. Downward facing dog. Exhale. Sun A's. Rise to your toes. Bend your knees. Travel forward. Halfway lift. Inhale. Forward fold. Exhale. Tadasana. Inhale. Forward fold. Exhale. Half lift. Inhale. Chaturanga. Exhale. Up dog. Inhale. Down dog. Exhale. Rise to your toes. Inhale. Bend your knees. Exhale. Travel forward. Halfway lift. Inhale. Forward fold. Exhale. Tadasana. Inhale. Forward fold. Exhale. Half lift. Inhale. Chaturanga. Exhale. Up dog. Inhale. Down dog. Exhale. Rise to your toes. Bend your knees. Travel forward. Half lift. Forward fold. Tadasana. Forward fold. Half lift. Chaturanga. Squeeze your elbows into your sides. Up dog. Inhale. Down dog. Exhale. Rise to your toes. Breath in. Bend your knees. Exhale. Travel forward. Half lift. Inhale. Forward fold. Exhale. Tadasana. Rise. Inhale. Forward fold. Exhale. Halfway lift. Inhale. Chaturanga. Exhale. Up dog. Inhale. Down dog. Exhale. Stay for a breath in and out. Lift your right leg, bend your knee, stack your hips, circle out your ankle, bend and straighten your knee. Three-leg dog. Inhale. Knee to nose. Exhale. Reach long. Inhale. Step forward. Warrior one. Press your left foot down into the mat. Inhale your hands overhead. Press your left hip forward and your right back. Draw your shoulder blades down your back and pull your belly button in. Take a breath in Exhale, goal post your arms and interlace your hands at the base of your spine. Press down, inhale, look up. Exhale, humble warrior. Let your head hang. Option to lift your hands off the base of your spine. Relax your face. Lengthen your breath. Rise, inhale, unwind. Open, warrior two, exhale. Stay in your warrior two, draw your shoulder blades down your back, pull your belly button in. Reach through your fingertips, make sure your knee is stacked over your front ankle. Press down into the knife edge of your back foot. Stay for a breath in and out. Inhale to star pose. Wide leg forward fold, exhale. Let your head hang, flip your palms, press down onto the backs of your hands for a counter stretch for all those chaturangas we're gonna do. Halfway lift, inhale. Forward fold, exhale. Rise, star pose, inhale. Goddess pose, exhale. Take it low, shift back and forth. Bring your hands to the insides of your thighs. Right shoulder goes in. Left shoulder. Switch. And switch. Inhale to star. Warrior two, exhale. Reverse your warrior, inhale. Standing splits, exhale. Left leg comes high behind you. Bring one hand to the back of your calf or ankle. Help draw your nose closer to your knee. Almost fell over there. Inhale your heel 1 inch higher, crane. Left knee comes forward. Draw your shoulder blades down your back. Root down through your right foot, figure four, earth pose. Cross your ankle over your knee. Bring your hands to heart center as you sink your hips lower to the mat. Back to crane, inhale. Utkatasana, chair pose. Sit back in your heels, lift your toes off the mat. Breath in. Divers, sweep your arms behind you. Inhale. Exhale. Back to chair, inhale. Forward fold, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale. Chaturanga, exhale. Up dog, inhale. Down dog, exhale. Lift your left leg, bend your knees, stack your hips, circle out your ankle, bend and straighten your knee. Reach your heel long, inhale, knee to nose, exhale. Reach, inhale. Step forward, warrior one. Rise, inhale. Draw your shoulder blades down your back, exhale. Right hip forward, inhale. Left hip back, exhale. Focus on that back pinky toe. Press it down into the mat. Take a breath in, exhale, goal post your arms, interlace your hands at the base of your spine. Press down, look up, inhale. Exhale, humble warrior. Let your head hang. Option to close your eyes, challenging your balance. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, rise, unwind. Open, warrior two, exhale. Gaze over your front fingertips. Press your feet into the mat as if you're squeezing your inner thighs together. Reach through your crown and grow 1 inch taller through your spine. Inhale. Exhale. Reverse your warrior, inhale. Side angle, exhale. Reverse your warrior, inhale. Star pose, exhale. Wide leg forward fold. Halfway lift, inhale. Forward fold, exhale. Rise, star pose, inhale. Warrior two, exhale. Reverse your warrior, inhale. Standing split, exhale. Right leg comes high behind you. Bring one hand to the back of your calf or ankle to help draw your nose closer to your knee. Inhale your heel 1 inch higher. Crane, right knee comes forward. Flex that right foot. Figure 4 earth pose. Cross your legs over, take it low. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, rise. Utkatasana, chair pose. Hands to heart center, prayer twist to your right. Press your hands together. Look over your right shoulder. Try to draw your prayer hands toward your center chest. Inhale, forward fold, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale. Chaturanga, exhale. Up dog, inhale. Down dog, exhale. Rise to your toes, bend your knees, travel forward. Halfway lift, inhale. Forward fold, exhale. Utkatasana, inhale. Exhale your hands to heart center, prayer twist to your left. Inhale and lengthen. Exhale and deepen your twist. Stay for another inhale. Forward fold, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale. Forward fold, exhale. Rise, crane, inhale, right side. Warrior three, send your right leg long behind you. Baby eagle. Warrior three. One more time, baby eagle. Warrior three. Step back, high crescent lunge. Inhale your hands overhead. Exhale, goal post waterfall all the way down. Inhale your hands overhead, open arm twist to your left. Left arm goes back, right arm is forward. Take the back bend, breath in. Send both arms high, inhale. Exhale, goal post and dip. Reach, inhale. Exhale, goal post and dip. Reach, inhale, open warrior two, exhale. Reverse your triangle, inhale. Triangle, reach, reach, reach. And then hands to 6 and 12. Option for a block here. Press your right shoulder back. Tuck it into your, tuck your back, your right shoulder blade in, stacking it over your right shoulder, your left shoulder, press your left shoulder forward. Come to star pose, inhale, transverse lunge to the back of your mat. Warrior two to the front of your mat. Reverse your warrior, inhale, standing splits, exhale. Inhale your heel 1 inch higher. Forward fold, exhale. Halfway lift, inhale. Forward fold, exhale, crane left side, left knee comes up. Warrior three, send your left leg long behind you. Flex that back foot, drop your left hip. Baby eagle. Warrior three. Baby eagle. Warrior three, inhale, stay for your exhale. Step back, high crescent lunge, inhale. Exhale, goal post your arms, big dramatic waterfall down your back. Inhale your hands overhead. Open arm twist, right arm goes back, left is forward. Take the back bend. Inhale and look up. Exhale. Both arms go high, inhale. Exhale, goal post and dip. Reach, inhale. Exhale, goal post and dip. Inhale, reach, open, warrior two, exhale. Reverse your triangle, inhale. Triangle, reach. and hands go to 6 and 12. Imagine that tug of war sensation going on. Pull your belly button in. Come to a long inhale and exhale. Reverse your warrior inhale. Standing splits, exhale, left leg comes high behind you. Inhale your heel 1 inch higher. Forward fold, exhale. Half lift, inhale. Chaturanga, exhale. Up dog, inhale. Down dog, exhale. Rise to your toes, bend your knees, travel forward. Half lift, inhale. Forward fold, exhale. Crane, right knee comes forward. Send your leg long in front of you and pulse up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Warrior 3. Square your hips off to the mat. Option to keep your hands at heart center. Baby eagle. Warrior 3. Baby eagle. Lots of legs today, I know. Warrior 3. Step back, high crescent lunge, inhale. Leaning lunge, exhale. High crescent lunge, inhale. Leaning lunge, exhale. High crescent lunge, inhale. Open warrior 2, exhale. Reverse your warrior, inhale. Revolved crescent lunge, right hand to the mat. Left is high, look up, breath in. Transverse lunge to the back of the mat. Give that front leg a break. Stay for an inhale. Exhale. Warrior 2 to the front of your mat. Reverse your warrior, inhale. Standing splits, exhale. Let your head hang. Try to come to a balance if you can. It's okay if you still need to keep a hand on the mat. Inhale your heel 1 inch higher, crane, right knee comes forward. Figure 4 earth pose. Back to crane, inhale. Forward fold, exhale. Stay in your forward fold. Take a slight bend in your knees. Rock from side to side. Inhale, halfway lift. Forward fold, exhale. Crane, left knee comes high. Send your leg long in front of you and pulse up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Warrior 3. Baby eagle. Warrior 3. Baby eagle. Warrior 3. Step back, high crescent lunge, inhale. Leaning lunge, exhale. High crescent lunge, inhale. Leaning lunge, exhale. High crescent, inhale. Open warrior 2, exhale. Star pose, inhale. Transverse to the back, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Stay for your inhale. Warrior 2 to the front, exhale. Reverse your warrior, inhale. Standing splits, exhale, left leg comes high. Try to go for a balance. Inhale your heel 1 inch higher. Crane, see if you can make it without tapping the mat. It's okay, I need to tap it sometimes too. Figure 4 earth pose, low and slow. Back to crane, inhale. Utkatasana, chair pose. Sink 1 inch lower and pulse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 inch lower. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly lower all the way down to your glutes and meet in a high boat. Roll your shoulder blades down your back, lift your chin. Take a breath in. Exhale to a low boat. Point your toes, flutter kick. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll back on your mat. Bring your knees into your chest. Big breath in. and out. Feet to a Supta Baddha Konasana, where we started our practice. Checking back in, bring one hand to your heart, one hand to your belly. Repeat your intention or mantra to yourself. I flow through life and this practice with ease and grace. Sometimes we come across some challenges, and that's okay. Makes us stronger, makes us better. Take one more breath in and out. Bring your hands to a yogi gun. Lift your chest and shoulders off the mat, pointing towards your feet, and pulse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Extra challenge. Lift your feet off the mat. Pulse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your knees into your chest. Give yourself a little rock side to side. Hands to the backs of your thighs. Rock and roll up to standing. That was a quick little core because we're working hard with our balancing and our legs. Inhale your hands overhead. Exhale your hands to heart center. Tree pose on the right side. Bring your right foot to the inside of your left ankle, calf, or thigh. Draw your shoulder blades down your back. Reach through your crown, grow 1 inch taller. An added challenge is to shift your gaze, grow your branches, interlace your hands behind your back. Now quiet your mind and breathe. Crane, right knee comes forward. Send your leg long in front of you and pulse up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Warrior 3. Baby eagle. Warrior 3. Baby eagle. Warrior 3. Step back, high crescent lunge. Inhale. Leaning lunge. Exhale. Take off, airplane. Sweep your right leg behind you. Lift your chin. Find that little back bend. Oh, sorry. Step back, warrior 1. Inhale. Goal post your arms, eagle arms, right under left. Eagle. Right leg comes over your left. Keep your left knee bent so you have something to wrap around. If you need to kickstand, that's fine too. If you can wrap all the way around, awesome. Stay for a breath in and out. Unwind, inhale to Tadasana. Exhale your hands to heart center. Tree pose on the left side. Left foot comes to the inside of your right ankle, calf, or thigh. Crane. Send your leg long in front of you and pulse up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Warrior 3. Baby eagle. Warrior 3. Baby eagle. Warrior 3. Step back, high crescent lunge. Inhale. Leaning lunge. Exhale. Airplane, take off. Send your chin forward. Point your back toe. Step back, warrior one, inhale. Exhale, goal post your arms, eagle arms left under right. Eagle, left leg comes over your bent right knee. Lift your elbows, press your hands away from you. Stay for an inhale. Exhale. Unwind, inhale, Tadasana. Forward fold, exhale. Half lift, inhale. Chaturanga, exhale. Up dog, inhale. Down dog, exhale. Lift your right leg, bend your knees, stack your hip, flip your dog. Three-legged dog, right leg up and out, breath in, knee to nose, exhale. Reach long, inhale. Knee to left elbow, open, starburst plank. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Half pigeon, right knee to right wrist. Settle in. Come down to your elbows or your third eye to the mat. Relax your face. Come to a soft breath or lengthen your breath. Option to stay exactly where you are or come to your hands. Send your left arm long behind you, reach for a bind. Fell over there. Option to take a balance. Gently release your left leg behind you, curl your toes under, hands come to the mat. Right leg up and out, three-legged dog, reach, downward facing dog. Lift your left leg, bend your knee, stack your hip, flip your dog. Press your hips up, let your head hang. Three-legged dog, left leg up and out, knee to nose, exhale. Reach long, inhale, knee to right elbow, open, starburst plank, hold for 3, 2, 1, half pigeon, left knee to left wrist. Settle into your half pigeon. Do what feels good for you. Continue to stay present on your mat. If anything is coming into your mind that doesn't belong in your practice, gently brush it aside. It will be there later. Come to your hands. Reach for a bind or balance. Gently release your legs. Send your legs long in front of you for a seated pike. Look at my dirty feet again. Inhale your hands overhead. Exhale, fold forward, grab whatever's accessible. Then draw your chin to your chest. Take a big breath in. Feel that nice expansion through your back body. Exhale all the air out. Inhale. Exhale. Release and come to a wide leg sit. Inhale, reach high. Fold over to your right side, reach for your right leg. My right hand is coming to the inside arch of my right foot. Reach through your left fingertips. Try to keep your left sits bones connected into the mat. Shift and send your heart toward your knee. Draw your chin toward your chest. Walk your left hand to the knife edge of your right foot or the outside of your right leg. Find your right arm behind you. Look over your right shoulder. Both hands back to your right foot and walk your hands long through center over to your opposite foot. Send your right arm long overhead, folding open. Look up and over your right elbow. Right hand to the outside of your left leg. Both hands on your mat, on your leg. Bring your nose toward your knee. Walk your left arm behind you. Look over your left shoulder. I think this is the most flexible I've ever been in my life, even since being little. I wasn't that flexible. Come back to center. Inhale. Bring your legs together and slowly roll back to laying on your mat. Draw your knees into your chest. Give yourself a squeeze. Feet to the mat. Do what we call fancy lady. Cross your right leg over your left. Draw your knees in towards your chest. Reach for the knife edges of your feet, your ankle, your calves, whatever's accessible. Give yourself a little rock side to side here. Option to dial your feet up and down. Find a place that feels good for you. Come to long, mindful inhalations and exhalations. Unwind. Fancy lady on the other side, left leg on top, right on the bottom. Again, option to dial up and down or rock side to side. Maybe you find a super juicy spot that gives you a nice stretch. Long inhale and exhale. Send your arms and legs long on the mat. Good morning stretch. Inhale. Exhale, curl up into a ball. Happy baby. Grab the bottoms of your feet. Draw your knees to the outsides of your armpits. Rock side to side. Take it to a V. Send both legs long. Option to put your peace fingers around your big toe or grab the insides of your thighs. Again, give yourself a little rock. Bring your hands to the backs of your thighs. Let's rock and roll back just up to sitting. I forgot to do something that I wanted to do today. Cradle your right foot into your left elbow. Left hand comes behind you. Roll back onto your left hip. Kind of roll around a little bit here. You should find a nice little spot that happens to feel particularly special. Kind of like rolling on, a foam roller, but just kind of roll back and forth a few times. This is one of my students' favorite things to do. And I like making my students happy. Just rock back and forth. I found a nice spot that it feels particularly nice. This is a nice thing to do when you're watching TV or before bed, if you're doing a nice little stretch before bed. which I encourage. All right, I know we could stay there all day, but let's switch sides. Cradle your right foot into your left elbow. Right hand comes behind you, bend into your left knee a little bit, and just kind of lean back onto that meaty, fleshy spot. Keep kind of rolling around until you find a place that needs a little bit extra rocking or moving. You work out some of that stuff. Okay. Send your legs long on the mat again. Inhale and exhale down onto your mat. Pull your knees into your chest and your right leg long on the mat. Supine twist. Cross your body, stack your hips. Elongate your spine, reach through your crown, point your right toe. Lengthen and inhale, exhale and deepen. Press your left shoulder into the mat. Look over your left shoulder. All these twists today are great for detoxing, kind of like a dirty rag or sponge, getting all the stuff out. Big breath in and out. Come to center. Squeeze both knees into your chest and your left leg long. Cross your body, stack your hips. Reach through your crown, point your left toe. Inhale. Exhale and look over your right shoulder, deepen your twist. Come to a long, mindful inhalation and exhalation. Unwind. Draw your knees into your chest, your forehead into your knees. Squeeze every muscle, scrunch up your eyes, put your fists in a ball, squeeze your toes, scrunch everything. Inhale. Exhale, Shavasana. Surrender to your mat. Continue to stay present for these last few minutes of practice. Release control of your muscles and allow your body to sink into your mat. Together, let's take a long breath in through our nose. Fill up completely, hold at the top. Open your mouth, exhale all the air out. Gently begin wiggling your fingers and toes. Rock your head from side to side. Send your arms long overhead, point your toes, good morning stretch. Exhale and fold over, roll over to your right side. Pause here. When you're ready, I invite you to meet me in a seated position on your mat. Draw your hands to heart center. Option to keep your eyes closed or take a soft downward gaze. Press your thumb knuckles into your heart center. Notice your heart beating. Together, let's draw our thumb knuckles to third eye center. With so much love and gratitude, I thank you for joining me today. Together, let's bow forward and say, Namaste.